Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can view Twitch clips. So first of all, open up, if you are at the PC, then just go for the twitch.tv website. If you are on the mobile devices, I am currently, go for the mobile version of the twitch.tv website and then request the desktop version. Then log in. After that, open the creator dashboard like I just did. Then open up the navigation menu, go for the content section, clips, and in here you'll be able to see and watch all the clips that you have personally created, as well as all the clips that have been created out of streams on your channel. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.